I'm Gwilym Bowen Rhys. I'm a singer. I sing and play Welsh traditional music and folk music, and I also write some of my own songs as well. I was originally drawn to Welsh traditional music because of the words mostly. I've sort of always liked rhythmic words, and in Wales we've got a very, very long tradition of sort of playing about with sounds within verses and within poetry, and sort of you know, these kinds of alliteration, weaving themselves through these, and it's very prevalent in old folk verses and songs. So yeah, it was the words that first drew me into it, and then just the curiosity to know, is there such a thing as a music with a Welsh flavour to it, or what is the character of our traditional music? So it's just been a sort of a journey searching for that stuff and trying to give my take on the things that I like. But yeah, it's mostly for me with Welsh traditional music, it's the words there's gems, there's real poetic gems that are still sort of waiting to be rediscovered.
Trad fod ti fan o'r blentyn, wrth dy fwrdd heb nich na nam. Os nad yw yn ormod gofyn, cofia damaid gwael dy fan.